Hi everybody and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to know and how to spot that your iPhone is hacked. So actually this is easy. This is not a complex issue. At first, check if you have battery drain or overheating when you're not using your phone. To check that, to check the temperature, you feel it in your hands. But to check the battery drain, go into settings and scroll down to battery. Here you'll see if your daily usage is more than average here. Here, for example, is your average, and if the battery drain was here, something's wrong. So yes, something is wrong, and you can feel the battery drain like itself if you are using your phone daily, and here if you have some strange application. That's the first thing. The second thing is some unfamiliar apps or icons showing up that you didn't install. Search the app library here to check for any unfamiliar apps, or here of course. Here you have any unfamiliar applications or icons, delete them immediately, and this is a common sign of a compromised iPhone. Apart from that, we have a weird pop-ups in Safari or system-wide. So open Safari, check for any things that may be suspicious or useless. So go to all tabs and check if here you have some strange things, etc. Apart from that, you may have unusual data or call text activity, big spikes in data, text you didn't send. Open messages and here search for any suspicious things, that text that you may have not sent, etc. Just check that. You may have any unusual things here. Apart from that, you may have the Apple ID issues. You may get random pop-ups on your screen, random sign-in prompts or password reset emails. Change your Apple ID immediately then. Apart from that, you can have background noises during calls, which can hint at spyware. And how to secure your iPhone, we have a video how to get rid of the virus, so you may check our video on our channel because there it is. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.